So we have recorded our first transaction, that is owner deposited money into the petty cash. Originally we recorded it at $10,000, but then we edited it and made it $8,000. Now the next transaction that we are going to record here is that owner deposited $5,000 from its business petty cash to business current account. How do we do that? We have to transfer the money from petty cash to business current account. We will click on these three dots here on the petty cash, and here you will see this option of transfer money. We will click on this, and here you will get the option from, that is petty cash, and to, that is business current account. So this transfer option is only available between the banks. So here that is the reason you are only seeing two accounts. So we are seeing from petty cash to business current account, and let's make the date 2 of August, and let's make the amount to be $5,000, and you can type the reference if you like to. If you don't want to put something here, you can leave it. So I will just say owner deposited petty cash to bank, but it is completely optional. And now click on transfer, and you can see that this transaction has been recorded. Now what we will do is we will run the balance sheet report to see if that transaction, that balance, is properly reflected in the balance sheet. So click on this and right click on balance sheet. Here you will be able to see. Now first of all, let me make sure that we are running it at the right date. So I will say let's make it 2nd of August 2024, and now let's update that. Now at this date you can see you have $5,000 in your business current account, and out of 8,000 in petty cash, 5,000 has been transferred, so the remaining balance would definitely be $3,000. And on the other side of the balance sheet, the capital and reserve, owner's funds, are $8,000, and the two sides of the balance sheet are equal. One last thing that you may like to see is the account transactions report. So right click on the account transactions, open it, and here just select the account that you want to see, for example petty cash, and now select the period, click on update, and now this time you can see you have two transactions. First, there is a deposit. Don't worry about debit and credit. If you don't know the accounting basics, you don't have to worry about that in Xero. You can ignore all those debits and credits, and you can keep doing your business accounting yourself. Just an year-end or quarter-end review by an accountant would be sufficient. But if you are an accountant, you very well know that the deposit would be recorded on the debit side, and when the transfer has been made from petty cash, it is appearing on the other side, and the net balance in petty cash is $3,000. So see, transfer between the accounts is so easy.